the right, then I move back like this. I slide to the left, but I like to stay in the middle and do this. Come on and show your move, let's get on the dance